So guys, this is the distributor, and look at how tough it is to turn in this distributor. I am really, look at that, how tough it is to turn this guy with one finger. Look at this thing. I'm really applying like 5, maybe 10 pounds of pressure here to turn this distributor. Okay, this is a distributor for that Ford F150, and the one we was losing the CKP signal, the crank position signal, which is inside here. That guy there, you see that when it goes there, it make a square wave, and it's supposed to be from 0 to 10 volts. So every time it closes, I believe is 10 volts, and every time it's open, it goes to 0. So that's what I think, but we can double check that and the scope and give you an idea. But every time you got the space, and then you have close and open, close and open. That's like the relector there. And you see, it's like, so we leave the truck running for like an hour and then crank it back again, and it runs. All right, so this is a fix. It was a bad distributor, and that Ford is running now good. Now it's putting in timing, and to put in timing, it goes 10 degrees before top the center, and you gotta disconnect the spot out to put in timing. Let me go over this, and I want to be specific. Right now I'm using the Vantage Ultra scope. So as you can see on the top here is the 494 Econoline E150 with a 5.8 liter. So we want to go to engine, and then we're going to go to the CKP. It stands for crank position sensor. And then the test that I doing, and that I do in the car, that it was very quick, and I don't show it to you guys, and I want to be specific now, is the key on engine cranking. That's what that means. Key on engine cranking test. And they're going to show you the waveform. You see the waveform and the test, it don't reach, you know, we don't got the signal. So we know we're missing signal there. And then it says here, key on engine cranking reading should be a square wave with a voltage peak from 0 volt to 10 volts. We don't got that. So we go in the bottom here, and this is how the wave engine cranking, the signal should look like, and we don't got that. Okay, so I just want to be specific so you guys know what to expect when engine cranking. If you got low voltage like 4 volts and engine cranking, suspect that you got power problem and the fuel and the relay, that you got low power going to the ECM if you got low voltage here. But after you know, you check for low voltage for the computer, should be the signal from 0 to 10 or 0 to 9, you know, but it's got to be a square waveform like that. Okay, thank you. Another thing, this is my bypass tool. The CKP signal coming from pin number 1 and the PIP. Okay, so to see that signal, you gotta connect a T-pin, back probing the wire and connect your scope to the PIP. All right, this is my bypass tool, and that's the connector. This connector, I get it from a junkyard. In a car, I cut the connector so I can do the bypass tool. Me, as an old technician from Ford, we used to have this tool, so we put it in the car, bring the car running in the garage bay. So, guys, thank you. Cranking the engine. Engine running. Larry put the air cleaner back again, so there's no way we can see that distributor that is buried behind the air cleaner there. Now to put in timing, this is the spot out here. You gotta disconnect the spot out and then put in timing. Now the DLC connector is left down here. It's running rough because we got intake problems here. That sounds funny. That sounds like a clock pad there, like a clock exhaust. But that is another problem, guys. So the customer don't got money to work in this truck no more, but definitely that noise when you accelerate the engine is not normal. Sound like this is a 5.8. Sounds like one of the cat have problems. I got a test for that I gonna show you the tool, not probably today, but another day when I do the test. And it's a tool that you drill a hole before and after the cat and measure the back pressure. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I am in Larry Dorsey's garage.